So in this video, you'll learn how to enter and exit split screen mode on your Samsung Galaxy A16. So the first step is to open an app. So open an app that you would like to use in split screen mode simultaneously with another one. So say for example, you want to use Spotify. So once you've launched Spotify and say for example, you've logged in, the next step is to simply enter split screen mode. So to do that, open the multi-view window. Then from here, tap on the icon, the app icon on top of the app preview. Then from here, you should see the option open in split screen view. Select that. Once you've done that, you should see you've successfully entered split screen mode. So from here, you can now select an app to open on the other half of the screen. So say for example, the calendar app. So you can be creating a calendar schedule or adding events as you scroll and listen to your favorite songs. So if you want to change apps, it's fairly simple. All you need to do is simply tap on this line here on top of the app or at the bottom here, this blue one here. So tap on it and then select this apps menu icon like that. And then from here, you can scroll through the apps list and select a different app you want to open in split screen. So say for example, I open the messages app. Once I've done that, as you can see, I've successfully switched apps that I was using in split screen view. If you want to do that at the top, again, just tap on that line, select the apps icon, and then choose a different app. So I can even switch back to the calendar app, like that. So that's how you can navigate in split screen. If you want to close split screen view, so say for example, you're done using the phone the way you were using and you want to now exit, all you need to do is simply tap on that line again, select this full screen icon, and the app will go full screen, thereby exiting out of split screen mode. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.